When it comes to cooking into the oven, you're going to need an assortment of tools. Some of them are going to be for fire management and other for the dishes. The first one, and probably most popular, this is called a wood peel. This is ideal for bread baking, to put your bread in the oven and to take it out as well, and for heavy dishes. We also have what is called a turn peel. So this is a smaller blade and this is done on purpose. We're going to use that to turn the peel inside the oven, and you want the blade to be smaller than the pizza to make it easy to turn the pizza. This is entirely made of stainless steel, so it can take the high heat and it's extremely durable. You can also use it for heavier dishes to move them around the oven or taking them out. And also you can use them to move the wood in the oven. This is our brush that we use to sweep the floor of the oven, that it is to remove ashes or residual flour. The handle is made of stainless steel and the head is made of a special heat-treated wood as well as brass bristles. Those brass bristles are really ideal for sweeping the floor without damaging it. You don't want to use any type of stainless steel bristle on the floor of the oven, as it could eventually damage the floor of the oven. One of the advantages of this oven brush is that the head can be removed with those 3 screws and easily replaced, as it will get worn out as you use it. If it's just home use, you probably replace it every 6 months to once a year. If it's for your restaurant, you're probably going to want to replace it about once a month. This tool right here is called an amber rack. It's specially curved to reach inside the oven. You're going to use it to grab heavy dishes, move the ambers around, and this is why it's called an amber rack, move the heavy wood pieces. And so it's really made so you can reach inside the round oven. So this one is called a perforated peel. As you can see, it's a fairly large peel with holes in it. So the idea is that you're going to make your pizza directly on your countertop, well-floured countertop. And with this peel, you're going to be able to scoop the pizza directly and launch it into the oven. This is made of aluminum, so it doesn't like the heat too much. So really, you should just use it to launch the pizza in the oven, and that's it. Try to not use it to remove the pizza out of the oven, and definitely do not use it with any type of embers or pieces of wood. So we sell all of our tools either individually or as a kit. If you go to our website, we have an item that is called the Deluxe Tool Set, and that will have your perforated peel, your wood peel, your turn peel, your oven brush, your amber rack, and the rack to hang all those tools on the wall.